Okay, so today we're going to learn how to make and save templates. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, there's a lot of indicators and tools you might want to add to your NinjaTrader chart, like moving averages, volume, average true range, other indicators that you use. And it can be difficult or it can be annoying to add all those in every time you want to make a new chart or something. So if you're trading the mini, then you want to pull up the gold chart, and it's annoying to have to add in like 5 or 6 things to your chart to make it look how you want, and you have to edit the colors of the lines and everything. That's that's too much work. So let me show you how we can go ahead and just make default templates that will automatically populate for you. So I have a new chart up, and if you right click, you'll see there's a templates option here. Okay. Now, one option, you can load past templates that you've made. And if you look at there's a save as and save as default. If you make a template save as default, then anytime you open up a new chart, it will automatically load in those indicators and tools that you have. And if you just do save as, then that will be a separate type of template that you can then load at any point that you would like. So let me add some indicators on here. And we'll add on a moving average. I got too many things on here. We'll add on a moving average here. EMA. And so what we're doing is we're going to be avoiding having to add these on every time. I want my drawing tool tile, and let's say I want volume as well. Okay, so there I have 3 different things on my screen, and let's say this is how I want it. Okay, so we'll right click templates. If I want this to be my template for everything, I would click save as default, and then the next any other tab that I open, it's going to load these features. Or I could do save as. Maybe this could be like a special template that I want to use in certain cases. So we'll call it a special. All right. So let me go back to different charts. Now we've loaded our a special chart, and here this is something different. So I want to load my a special. So I will right click templates, load, and then here's my template, and I've got too many templates on here. So there we go. So here is our A special. We have the volume at the bottom, we have our indicator, and we have our drawing tool tile. Now if we want to make this pop up anytime that we load something just automatically, then we can do save as default. Okay, so now I've clicked that. That's now our default tab. That's our default template. So let me add on a new chart here, and I'll show you how that works. So we'll do the micro E-mini. We'll load that up. Okay, and there we go. So I ended up having to connect to the live data, and then everything populated here. We have our volume, we have our drawing tool tile, and we have our indicator. Now, so that'll pop up automatically. Now let's say I want to switch back. Okay, so here's the template I want to use. I want this to be my default now. I have 2 indicators. I have the average true range down here. I have my drawing tool tile. And for me to reset this as default, I go down to templates. Not sure if my camera's in the way there. I'll go down to templates and then save as default. Now when I open up a new tab, this will be it. What about something like the indicator themselves? You can also change the templates on those. So I'll click on my moving average here. And let's say anytime I want to add a moving average, and then I want this to be my template for that. So let me change the color here. I'll make this purple. Okay, and we'll template, save, and we would click save as default. All right, so now when I add on my 200 EMA, anytime I do that, it's going to now be purple. So let me go over to Let me just open up a new. Here we have this chart. So let me add on the EMA again. Go down to EMA. And notice here it's purple. It's automatically purple for me. So you can change your indicators, you can change the chart itself. Even this drawing tool tile I have here, you can change that to be have any kind of tool that you want on that. I have a video that covers the drawing tool tile more thoroughly, so if you want to watch that, the video is here. If you've liked what I've shown, or if this is valuable to you, go ahead and subscribe. I'll keep on making videos like this. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any comments or questions on how to save your templates, and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for watching.